Hi everyone, my name is Tian with matrix number 173504, and currently I'm doing a self-reflection video for LAX 2014, and it is for one of the second last reflection video, the second last self-reflection video that I will be recording. So I will first explain what we have done in the previous discussions. So during the discussion, we actually we started with the agenda, meaning that we actually explain to the others participants or members about the agenda of the meeting, which is we will be discussing some of the layouts or design for the coming booklet, and also to ask for permissions for change one of the locations, that one of the places that we selected to another place, which is we change it from graveyard to another place, change it to the library. So I will first tell about the reason why we changed it from the graveyard to the library. Because firstly, when we visited the graveyard, so it was actually locked. So we find that it's kind of like maybe it's very private places, and it is like not allowing unauthorized personnel to enter the graveyard. So we do not have the intentions to break the rules or regulation. That's why we decided to not to enter the graveyard, but to choose another place which is suitable for our team, which we think that it is actually at the library. The reason being in the library is that during the non-peak hour, maybe during the period where during semester break, so the number of visitors to the library is actually very, very few of them. And I think that do you ever feel there's something like you are not really comfortable in the library? So we're trying to bring out the feeling. We are going to bring out the feeling, the uncomfortable feeling to our readers. So that's about the changes or the amendment that we have done for during the discussions. And next thing that during the discussions, I proposed that we would like to use handwriting to replace typewriting. Meaning that we'll be using handwriting to in the booklet, in the design of the booklet. Meaning that everyone will use hand to write out the words. The reason being because we kind of like create some very mysterious and horror feelings to our reader. And after discovering that we have in short of time, and we do not have the time to have the time to meet again and to collect everyone's piece of art. So we decided to use computer, but we're going to use a font which is kind of like sex gallery font in our design. So at the same time, you'll find some of the texture, the very old texture for our background. Meaning that the background will be some of very yellowish, or consider some blacks, yellowish and gray. The paper is very old type of paper, so that's what we're going to use for our booklet. So yes, we'll be submitting the booklet on Monday, and so let's see what are the responses, what are the response or feedback that we can get from Ms. Raman, because in our previous booklet, Ms. Raman did not really comment critically on our booklet. So maybe there's a rush of time there's a rush of time. So both parties actually very rush of that. So we hopefully that we can listen more, get more feedbacks from Ms. Raman, so that we can improve it, and at the end to achieve the objective of this course, which is LAX 2014. So I think that's all for today self-reflection video. So there will be one more self-reflection videos, and see you next week. Thank you.